I enjoy riding my motorcycle, but it rains here in Washington all the time. All right, part of the reason why I have no problems riding in the rain isn't because I'm just a badass, but because I'm prepared. I've got the proper gear, warm, dry, and comfortable, even when it's like a torrential downpour, as most of the time it is here in Washington State. So, in this video, I'm gonna go through all the gear that I use throughout the year, all right? All right, first we're gonna start off here with the GP Plus R V4 RIDEKNIT leather jacket. This right here is a good all-around jacket when it starts getting warmer out. The RIDEKNIT technology that Alpine Stars has put in here, it keeps it a very comfortable jacket so that the leather isn't really holding you back. Though I wouldn't want to get stuck in a rainstorm in this, as that is all fabric. But it's got a lot of breathing, so when it gets above 50-60 degrees, it'll be very comfortable. I used this jacket the other day in 35 to 40 degree weather, but I did have layers on underneath. But as you can see here, like, there's a membrane in there, but it's definitely not something that I'd be super daring to go and test how waterproof it is. It's got some pretty decent sized pockets on here, and the inside has got a mesh liner in here, and I do got the a back protector in there. But this is definitely designed to keep you nice and cool, and it's a level AA certified. Another thing I really like about this jacket is that it does zip into my other Alpine Stars pants. Now it does come with a waterproof compartment just in case you do get caught in the rain. I'd probably keep like my registration and stuff for my bike in there, cell phone, anything else that you really wouldn't want to get. Right here is the jacket that I have used forever. For the last 2 years, this has been my main jacket that I use all the time because it keeps me really warm during the winter, as well as very dry when it's raining. It's got a thermal liner in it that you can remove. You can put a back protector in here. It zips into pants. And it's got a waterproof compartment right here, as well as a ton of vents and buttons to make it comfortable. But to go along with the jacket, I've got the pants that go along with it that I also use with that jacket. They also come with a thermal liner that can be removed during the summer, as well as tons of vents all through here. As you can see, they're waterproof. You live here in Washington, you want to make sure that things stay dry. Moving on to the gloves. These right here are some gloves that I wore for a long time through rain, cold, hot weather. They're great. Alpine Stars SP8s. And this isn't an Alpine Stars commercial, but when you find a product that you like or a brand that treats you well, you stick with them. And that's what I've done with Alpine Stars. I just got these. These are their Dry Star gloves. They're waterproof, very comfortable, and yeah, I just can't say enough about them. All right, another Alpine Stars product right here is their full balaclava. This is really nice, especially if you're like me and you ride in varying different weather. It's got this little thermal layer here that slips on down underneath your jacket, and this water repellent material here. And this is also moisture wicking, so you don't get your helmet full of your stinky sweat. All right, this is one that I use for the summer. Right here, it's a little bit shorter. It doesn't go all the way down, but that'll keep me from sweating inside my helmet, getting my helmet all nasty, while still protecting my neck from crazy suicidal bugs. Let's move on over to my boots. These are some boots I picked up from a local company here called Eagle Leather. They usually deal with like Harley riders, but I saw these boots there. And they're relatively reasonably priced, but also really good quality. Leather, waterproof. They are the Icon Stormhawk. A really neat feature about these is that they go and ratchet to tighten. Now, I've been caught in a torrential downpour in these boots. They kept my feet dry. And I pretty much wear them doing everything. So it's not like my motorcycle boots are designated to just ride the motorcycle. All right, now let's move on to my helmet. Right here's the AGV K5. I've had this helmet for 2 years, over 2 years now, and it's treated me really well. I've got a Cardo unit on it for comms. And this has got, it's set up for comms inside. And I got my GoPro mount there, as well as a microphone for my videos. This comes equipped with a pin lock. That pin lock keeps your visor from going and fogging up. Mine needs to be replaced. I've found that depending on the weather that you ride in, the adhesive that keeps it stuck to your outer visor can cause it to come loose. But they're not that expensive to replace, and they are great. Mine just, for whatever reason, has decided to come apart. This is the second one in 2.5 years. Yeah, about 2.5 years I've owned this helmet. But I stand by them 100%. They work. Now, having the correct size and padding for your helmet is critical. And being able to see, having a nice wide area view out of your helmet. When it does rain, like, you don't got a windshield wiper on this thing, so you want to be able to make sure that you can still see. And you can only turn your head side to side so much before a car behind you thinks you're crazy. All right. So I also use a Cardo. You can listen to music through them. You can talk to people through Bluetooth. You can intercom. Be comfortable when you're riding. Like, if you're comfortable, you're a lot more safe. So I just went through all of my gear that I use so that I can ride year round here in Washington State. And yeah, I've spent a decent amount of money on it, but can you really put a price on your comfort and safety? No. So thank you for watching. Catch you on the next ride.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.